Hello everyone, this is Sandancer80 with another model truck review, and this time I have for you a 187 scale WSI model, and this one is the new DAF XF. It's the Euro 6 model. I've just got the box behind it, and there we have WSI. I'll just put it out the way, and this one, it's a good model. I only bought it just because it's different. This one does have the mirrors which do come off, so I'll just take them off. So here's the model, and for a 187 scale it's a good model because most 187 scales are plastic, where this is quite weighty. So as you can see, it's a DAF XF, the new one, and it's a 4x2. On the side there we have the XF logo at the top, and it's not bad detailing for the scale, like that says. The front there we have the new DAF logo. This one hasn't got much detail like the registration, but you can make out where the indicators and the light should be. Air intakes, you can see the wipers, and you can see inside there just the lights at the top there. I like the colour as well. The side there is the same as the other, but the back, obviously most of it's all plastic, so hasn't got the detail of the lights or anything. But for the price, you can't complain. And here's the trailer. It's a tri-axle trailer. But this also, it's quite weighty as well. It's quite heavy. So we have the new XF. That'll be their advertising, presumably. It's quite plain though, the trailer. I like the back of it though. The back of it's quite alright. There's the new DAF truck, DAF logo. You can see where the door should go. And we have the lights. Little warning lights down the bottom there. But it's not a bad model, and this one clips in, has a little pin where it just, if I get it right, it will clips onto the unit like that. But it's not a bad model. For the scale and the price, you can't go wrong. It's not a limited edition model either, so, but nice model all the same. So thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, comment below, and thanks for watching.